Here's my bathroom. I just got done sweeping and putting things up. Y'all, this used to be my favorite place, but once again, I just started living with my granny again, and it's been a while since I've been at my granny's house, just living there. So yeah, I've been at college, at my mom's house. I've been at everywhere else trying to work and stuff, and now I'm here, and it's a lot. This bathroom, when I came back into this bathroom, it made me so uncomfortable. So I was just like, yeah, it's time to change things up. As you see me disinfecting and spraying the counter, it was a lot of stuff. And I also got some comment on there too. But like I said, it was a lot of stuff on the sink. Like, I really wish I could change that counter up, but I can't like I want to. As you see that I'm taking down all the other things like potpourri. Like, that potpourri been up there since I was younger and didn't know what to do with it. Those Barbie dolls been up there, oh my god, for years, y'all. I think when we first got the house, it's been up there. So as you see me just bent over, trying more so focus on getting like between that water faucet, y'all. That water faucet, I don't know, like I never just looked into it like that, but it was so much dirt and mold like trapped off in there. I don't even know if I should call it mold or not. It was just trapped, and I was just trying to get everything that I can. So as I told y'all that it was like stuff trapped in there, like I had to do this, and I didn't think I was able to do that really. But y'all, I really tried my best trying to remove all that gunk out. I don't know why, but these cabinets are very hard to deal with, like very hard. But here's the ending results. As you see, I bought a little decoration. It wasn't much. I bought what I could afford at the moment. But yeah, here's the final results. I hope you like it.